Gaming has been exploding in popularity. It's now bigger than television, movie, and music industries. In 2020, its market is set to reach $160 billion. Esports is the competitive part of gaming and has a fast-growing audience of around 500 million people today. The younger generation all grew up playing games on many different mediums and consume content in a completely different way from their parents. This has been problematic for most major brands and advertisers who are now forced to look for brand new marketing efforts to reach this generation. Our experience shows that old strategies built for TV, radio, newspapers, and internet portals are increasingly becoming less effective. Today, kids and young adults play games, watch streams and videos of their favorite streamers, follow their favorite pro players, and then support all of this through things like donations, community challenges, giveaways, subscriptions, etc. The solution needed today is one that requires knowledge, experience, and a strong brand known for effectively working with this young generation in many different ways. QLASH is a community-focused company that effectively bridges traditional brands with the younger generation via the esport and gaming industry. We build, connect, and entertain our own gaming communities by organizing lots of events focused on engaging and memorable experiences. We utilize our professional players, influencers, and streamers to directly participate. We provide educational tools for them to play better. We create entertaining content, such as memes and gameplay replays. We organize regional and international community events where everyone gets to participate, not just the pros.
Over the past 4 years, we focused a lot on the competitive side of gaming, and our esports teams have had tremendous amounts of success. This has been instrumental toward our explosive growth in all key areas.
As an example, we have Crazy Fat Gamer, the #1 PS4 FIFA player in the world, Raynor, the #1 StarCraft 2 player in the world, and our Brawl Stars team is widely recognized as #1. We also have some of the top streamers from Italy and Spain that help bring exposure to all of these.
Our gaming house in Italy, called the QLASH House, is one of the largest in the world. We use it as an esports campus to train our players and run all sorts of live events. We then produce content around all of this, including live streamings on Twitch and YouTube. Our follower and community numbers across different types of social media have exploded. As of today, we have millions of followers across all our channels. We have had multiple business cases of successful partnerships with brands such as Sky Television, Red Bull, Viber, Paysafe, MARCA, and Milwaukee Bucks. But there is one that we are particularly excited about today, and that is our recently announced partnership with AC Milan. Together, we have come to a long-term deal to create a new brand called Milan Clash, and work together in an innovative way utilizing our skills, know-how, and strong brands to create even better ways to entertain our communities of gamers. Our business model today is focused on things such as sponsorships, event organization, creation of digital campaigns, and selling of media rights. To aggregate all our initiatives in one place, we are developing our own platform, the QLASH Community App. While it started out as a matchmaking tool for our events, we are already implementing features that will make it the best way to engage with our communities and offer them an effective way of finding peers and daily challenges through our business schedule of QLASH events. It will become an entertainment platform that allows us to provide a lot more value to our communities while monetizing through things like advertising, subscriptions, and in-app purchases.
To help bring all this to reality, we already have some incredible advisors and investors on board, such as Michael Hazel, the former CEO of PokerStars, Phil Hellmuth and Daniel Negreanu, the two most famous poker players in the world, known not only for their skills in the game, but also for how well they engage with the poker community.
I have known Luca and Eugene for years and years and years, and they're completely trustworthy. And in the poker world, we know everything about everybody. Perfect reputations. And I jumped at the chance to invest and join them. And on top of it, they're great guys, and they're going to crush it.
All right, so you know me as a poker guy. That's who I've always been, but I've also dabbled in a lot of different games like Hearthstone, got totally addicted, also play some chess, and have a lot of respect and admiration for the gaming community. And you know what? It reminds me a lot of sort of the poker boom and how that happened, and to see guys like Luca and Eugene really be like one step ahead and understand like what's possible here and how to create a platform that makes sense for the community. It was an easy decision for me to be on board with these guys. They have a great reputation, always been friendly, trustworthy, and really it was like a slam dunk. One of the easiest calls I ever made.